Here we go, taking the pad away. That was the pad under the front stye. That was there, we put this temporary one in. Now we're digging that pad away. We're trying to get a little bit more room for the machines to get past. Won't take him long. Excavation, always fun. We're just going to take it down to this level, Pino?
No,
well, he's still got to cut that later, so there's no point. That stye moves forward.
it's alright.
There's no real point because the next stye moves in front of it to pull the house forward.
You reckon just take it down the ground level?
That'd be a lot easier for everybody.
Okay,
And you do the excavation later.
alright, we just go down to this level, Peter.
Just down to here, mate.
Just go down to that level, that's it.
Thank you. Yeah, because the next, when we slide the house forward, it comes forward onto a new stye. And that'll be your cut. You'll have a cut then. No point cutting it out now, it's too hard. Just for that little box. He's into the rock there. Heat on the excavator. Carlsberg on this one. They've been around quite a while. What we're doing is just taking it down to the level we've got here at the moment. They've still got to go down another 250 mil. There's no point doing it now, not for that little box. We've got to slide this, move the stye again yet. So when we slide the house forward, so when we do that, we'll take it down to the, you'll have all the outside dug down to that level, and it's not hard to dig down the piece under the stye. Fun in the rock. Of course, we're on the side of a hill, so it's all shale. Oh, look at the footing he's got over here. He's still got more digging to do over here. Still that white rock. That's shale. He's still got to go down another 6 inches in there yet. It's going to take him another hour or so to do that. Once he's got these trucks full, he's got one more truckload to go before he starts getting back in there. But we're here getting this ready so we can move this stye, make the house safe, give the boys a little bit more room for the trucks to come in. Oh, going well. Alright, well this is boring. We'll come back to you guys later, once we move the sides of the place. Okay, he's getting that, oh, he's almost through. There he goes. See how careful he is, try to make sure he doesn't bump that stye. Good operator. Comes back in, he'll take the rest of that down. Oh no, he's still cleaning up over there. Hard to get good operators. goes down. Something a rocky pulled out of there. Come on, Pete, let me squat it. You guys want to see this go, don't you? Here it goes. Oh, takes up. Yeah. There it goes. Come back in for this lot. Yeah. There it goes. A big rock came out of there. So easy with the 4-ton excavator. There's a nice thick, nice strong vein of shale going through there. Cool. Okay. Awesome. Another boring 6 minutes of excavation. Alrighty guys. We'll catch you again soon. See ya.